Data is not a nice to have, it's a necessity. And now we have full visibility in Sifflet. Adaptavists are an enabler of other companies to move at speed and more agile. We kind of take them into the tech past, into the tech future. We move them from on-prem or data center into the cloud, automate their services, streamline their workflows, and just help them work better, basically. Before Sifflet, we had huge fatigue. Every single day alerts were going off saying that something was broken. This required a lot of detective work, and engineers would have to spend almost the whole day just trying to resolve this pipeline, resolve these errors, and get data to our customers, which were the stakeholders in management. This caused a problem with our reputation and our credibility. What made Sifflet different to all the other ones is they weren't just offering dynamic monitoring and data quality testing. They were offering the storytelling piece. It's not about the technical alerts, it's about the business impact and the story that that tells. Their end-to-end lineage piece was exactly what we needed. We can see where data flows from, into, and then put out at the very end. And we can see how this story evolves over that pipeline. It was very easy to implement. It took me hours, maybe a day at max. It was very, very quick, very intuitive. The universal adapter is something I really want to call out. The declared assets and lineage feature allows us to declare assets and how they link together. The most measurable business impact for our team has been the medium time to resolution. This used to take hours, if not days, and now it takes minutes. Our stakeholders are now trusting our data again, our stack, their reports. It's been a huge, huge increase and just a game changer to our team. Working with the Sifflet team has been an absolute dream. From day one, they were heavily invested in our success. They were very customer-centric with all of their communication, making sure we were okay. They were including us in features and developments that hadn't even hit the shelf yet. It didn't feel like we were customers, it felt like we were partners.
Our platform enables you to build trust in your data. Trust for your business users, bringing in your business context and ensuring that your data stack is running as you expect. We allow you to get the right data at the right time with the right business context for your users.